How to log out from Settlop account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out or log out from your Settlop account. To do so, first of all, open your Settlop application on your mobile device, and if you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left corner of your screen, you will be able to locate 3 horizontal bars. Simply tap on those bars and then you'll be able to access the side menu. Now from the side menu at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on it and then you'll be taken to your profile page. Now once you reach your profile page, here at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the sign out option. Simply tap on it and then you'll be signed out from your account. So this is how you can log out from your account. In the future, if you want to sign in back to your account, you'll need to simply select one of these options based on your preference and then use your credentials to log in or sign into your account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.